Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla amakhulu, amakhehla mahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyakwamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. On today's video, I want to talk about there's time for everything. Even in the Bible, there's a verse where it says there's time for everything. And I know some of you out there, you are fighting. And uyakhala la umikhona ukuthi kunini ngilwa. Mangithi there's time for everything. We have seasons. The nature have seasons. And if in nature nama seasons, you know ukuthi with these 4 seasons, they go for months. Some fights, it's a fight for a day, fight for a week, fight for 2 weeks, fight for a month, if you fight for months. But kunezimpi esizilwa iminyaka. The chosen ones, the fights that we are fighting, yizimpi zeminyaka yeminyaka. Thola ukuthi uwena omncane ngaphakathi kwekhaya lakho, kodwa ulwa impi yakudala. And lempu oyilwayo kusasekhona umuntu osaphehlayo ngaphezu kwesimo sekhaya lakho. So keep on fighting. Whatever you are fighting out there, keep on fighting. Do not give up. And remember, as you are fighting, there'll be days where you feel that you are defeated. There'll be days where you have bad dreams, uvumzimba ukhathele, ubuthakathaka usho ukuthi ayibukulo lapho gazi ngaqunjwa phansi, awusazi ke manje ukuthi where to turn to. You just wake up and pray and pray and pray for the mere fact that God has indicated, has highlighted ukuthi you are being attacked. Yebo uvuka ukhathele uqobekile. So uyazi ukuthi ngiqobeke kanje namhlanje, it is because of I was attacked because of ibopho oyihlepulayo, ichitho lezezenziwo oyichithayo, oyihlakazayo zinzima. And njengoba zinzima kanje, lempi yeminyaka nalo osayiphehlayo naye uyayitshela la ekhona ukuthi ngisazophehla ngamandla ngoba impi ingaphakathi kwamakhaya wethu ke manje. So ngifuna ukugqugquzela wena who is just saying, oh God, I've been fighting the same fight. Kunezinye izinto esizibheka ezimeni zeimpilo zethu ukuthi it's been 4 years. It's been 5 years, it's been 10 years. And this thing is just a cycle. I've been fighting this thing for the longest time. Yini le eyenzakala? Yini le uNkulunkulu afuna ukungifundisa yona? Yes, the enemy is attacking. Yes, lo uthi uyakwenza. Kodwa throughout this 4 years, 5 years, 10 years, lempe engiyilwayo, kukhona izinto that you have gained. There are valuable lessons that God has given you. Kunamandla, kunemfihlakalo uNkulunkulu akambulele yona, ekubonise yona. But today you are just like, God, I've been fighting this fight. Ayiphele ke manje. And God is like, yabona la ukhathala khona, I will be your strength. And la vele ukhathala khona ilazi ke sekaphakama khona because of throughout the years ukufundisile, and ngiyathemba ukuthi nawe ufundile. There are some valuable lessons ukuthi nakusasa mawuzohlangabezana nenkinga, you will be able to look back and say, yeah, it was God. If it wasn't for God, kube angikho la ngikhona. There is time for everything. And don't ever time uNkulunkulu, don't ever even pace him, even when it comes to your fights, your battles. Njengoba ngisho ukuthi kune battle yelanga elilodwa, kune battle yeviki, kune battle yenyanga, kune battle yezinyanga, kune battle yonyaka, kunyaka wonke. You're going through, yagoisha, unyaka wonke. It could be either your health, it could be either your finances, it could be either your family, whatever sphere of your life that you feel that is being attacked right now. Trust you me. There's time for everything. And how it prolongs, there's always a reason behind. There's always available lessons. But inkosi ifuna ukuthi hlala ethembeni, hlala uhlezi ukhulekile. Remember, you are not perfect. There are days where you just snap. There'll be days where you just don't feel like it. There are days where you just like, God is too much. Because of the fights that we are fighting as chosen ones are very hard. And uthumasuyibegiswa nawe leyo mpi usho ukuthi yaze yanzima impi indala nakuwena indala lempi indala kodwa wena ukhethiwe ngaphakathi kwendawo ukuthi you will be the one who breaks everything so that everyone else can get a breakthrough. It is beautiful when the breakthrough comes, but the work, the sacrifice, the amount of energy and strength and wisdom that you need for you to just break. And kunezinye izinto ekuzomela ukuthi uzamkele, kunezinye izinto ekuzomela ukuthi nje yazini uphume kuzona uyiduba uthini ngibhekana nayo leyo nto le. So akusinto ya wonke umuntu le, akusuwonke umuntu. It takes a certain person uNkulunkulu afake a special something within them, because of you will be shown everything. So wherever la ukhona and you are saying kunini ngilwa nathi silwa izimpi zeminyaka, siyibuza ukuthi kanti inkosi kuhlangana nini, kodwa sibonga ukuthi inyama yethu isahlangana nomphefumulo. Kusho khona ukuthi inkosi isazosenzela, inkosi isazosinika amandla. Kodwa awungavumeli ivunguvungu eyivunguzayo ngaphambi kwakho or izinto oziboniswayo ngamaphupho wakho, and then now you suddenly feel like you akuphelile ngamam defeated. Cha umuhle kakhulu ngoba inkosi iziyakubonisa ukuthi what is currently happening around you. God is making you aware ukuthi you are breaking chains ngaphakathi kwesimo sempilo yakho. So ngiyacela, khuleka ungayeki, khuleka uvule inhliziyo, khuleka umemese ukuthi baba ngiyakubonga, baba ngiyakuthanda, ngiyakubonga mesiyolungileyo. Hlala uhlezi nami ngaso sonke isikhathi, ungasuki kumina, akangasuki kuwena, akangasuki kuwena umveli inqanga, akangasuki kuwena, akangasuki kuwena ubhekane nalezi zimpi ezinzima, ngoba yilaba kufuna ukuganda khona, ukudicilela phansi. Kodwa inkosi ithini? Ngimi now. And I don't know this fly ukuthi iqhamukapi, but inkosi beyifuna ukuthi ngikhulume. So whoever needs to hear this will definitely hear this. Keep on fighting. Your fight might take a year, might take years. Ungabuhlela uthi kunini ngilwa. Inkosi mina ngaso sonke isikhathi khala kuyona, iyona ezokwambulela ikubonisa ukuthi siyaphetha ke manje, siyanqoba ke manje. And ngoba unqoba, people bayacindezela. Hlala nokuthula, akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando phakathi kwamakhaya wenu. I love you so much, guys.